Beth DeMayo from Healium Hair, here to show you today how to use our awesome straightening brush. When opening the straightening brush is how clean, sleek, and lightweight it is. You also receive 2 clips, which we'll use today, and you also have your instruction manual. Gives you a temperature guide depending on your hair type. Once your brush is plugged in, it's going to tell you that it's off here. Simply depress the power button and it will start your heat settings. As it is blinking, I can adjust the temperature based on the level that I'd like to reach. Just simply keep depressing. This will allow you to customize based on not only the texture of your hair, the thickness of the hair, but also if your hair is damaged. This will actually cause less damage to the hair based on the temperature setting that you personally adjust. It has a 360-degree swivel on it, so this won't get snagged on your countertops or cabinets. These nylon tip bristle tops. This will protect not only your fingertips, but also your scalp from getting burnt. This has a very, very thin handle, making this very easy to grip. This hair has been up all night, and we're gonna find out together what we're working with. Okay, not exactly straight. If I was going out with the girls tonight, it's looking a little rough. Graduation parties, weddings, cocktails, date night. This is an easy fix that is an absolute must. I'm going to go in with my Body 5, which is my thermal protectant. This protects hair up to 450 degrees and creates that layer of protection between the heat source and the hair. Pull this up, use my handy dandy clip that was included. Here is our first pass. I have my temperature set at 320 degrees, which is the recommended heat for easy to curl hair. Wow, that's after 1 pass. Depending on your hair texture and also your hair thickness, you might need to give your hair a few more passes to get your desired result. It seriously cannot be that easy, but it is. The double negative ion technology. That's what causes the elimination of frizz to give a really sleek, smooth finish. See that crimp? We're gonna watch that disappear. Wow. In just a few minutes, I can comb through my whole head using customizable heat for less damage and be ready to get right out the door. This is like so much fun. It is such an easy option. Look at that, ladies. What hair type is this recommended for? It's good for all hair types. Depending on your texture, your thickness, and if you're currently chemically damaged, you'll see there's adjustable heat times and settings for you here. Thick, curly, wavy, straight. And again, with that customizable heat setting, you are in control. The lower the heat, the less the damage. One thing I know you can't do to your existing straightener, this. I'm using a little bit of tension by holding the end of the hair and just passing the brush through. If you weren't a believer before, I think the results speak for themselves. A quick, super easy way to save yourself time and energy you can use elsewhere. Whether you get this amazing brush on its own or in one of our amazing promotional bundles, I think I'd head over, start shopping now. Get it while supplies last.